How to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. If Instagram is saying could not refresh feed, then there could be various reasons. First of all, make sure it's not the issue with the internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, if you're using Instagram on Android, you just have to long press the Instagram application. Then tap on this eye icon that says App Info, which will take you to App Info page. This setting will be available on any Android device, by the way. Now from here, you want to scroll and tap on Storage Usage, then tap on Clear Cache, and you can also clear the data if that's what you prefer. After you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram and check if the Instagram app has an update. And of course, if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.